Hello everybody, it's your girl Zena Kim, and today we're going to talk about customized mirrors.
Hey everyone, it's Zanisha Hawkins, and I'm so excited to talk to you guys about my good friend Dior Williams' line called Doses of D.
I like me better when I'm with you.
Are you an entertainer, a YouTuber, or even a makeup artist?
There is nothing more great to me than doing your makeup and your hair, but doing it with style. One of the things that I love about her line is that she is like super awesome at paying attention to the details. She really embodies whatever your personality is, and she takes her time. Look at how great this mirror is that she made for me. Isn't it super cute? Oh my goodness.
Go to dosesofd.com and she can personalize you a mirror that has a lot of class.
So whether you are applying your favorite glam eyelashes, or doing your daughter's hair, or applying your favorite lip gloss, you are all set. But not only does she do mirrors, ladies, like she does makeup brushes, hair brushes, and wallets, okay? Literally every time that I go to a store and I pull out this wallet, everyone asks me, oh my God, where did you get that from?
3403 is your total, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's a nice wallet. Where'd you get that from?
See, what did I tell you? Super awesome line. Make sure that you go and check out my girl, dosesofd.com, and use my code NOVBEAUTY07. That's NOVBEAUTY07 and save yourself 10%.
Make sure that you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.
Mwah.